We are here today to explain how we attract our perfect love partner through astrology. This is part one of a series that we're going to discuss not only how do we attract our perfect love partner, but those things in life like health choices, the best career decisions to make, things regarding our family, and anything else in your lifestyle that you wish to address. Hi, welcome to our channel, Ask. I am Dr. Scott, and we're here today with our beautiful partner, Miss Annabella Cabello.
Hello everybody, I'm going to be explaining to you the same things that Dr. Scott is going to explain to you in English. I'm going to address the Spanish community.
Thank you. The problem with much of astrology and how astrologers present a very complicated or seemingly complicated concept of astrology is that they usually start with explaining very complicated planetary transits. I know, even though I've been studying for 27 years, once I hear what's transiting here, what planet's going there, without understanding the full scope of what that means, I'm lost. We've all heard of the famous book, The Five Love Languages. In The Five Love Languages, they explain, and it's a great book, and it explains something that not many of us really take a lot of time to contemplate, and that is, how is it that we best give love to our partner and to those things that we love in life, and how do we best receive love? In the Five Love Languages, they talk about things like giving love by providing gifts, giving quality time, communication, whatever those things are. These are wonderful, wonderful concepts, and they're wonderful ways for us to begin to get in touch, but they are far from describe the full scope of what we are really looking for. In our new formula and our new concept on astrology, we attempt to take not only those love languages as related to in the five love languages, but we use a 12 love language astrological formula. There are 12 signs in the zodiac. There are certain planets that those signs adhere to, like for instance our moon sign or our Venus. Our formula is a new concept that helps make this very complicated scenario much easier and more easy to understand. Now, in an unhealthy and unfulfilling relationship, we know often that we know we're not happy, but often we don't know exactly why. We wake up, we look at our partner, and we say, okay, I'm not happy with him. I can't say exactly what it is. And that's because we are not in touch with ourselves. We don't understand what it is that we're really looking for. And the same goes for our partner. In our upcoming discussions and our tutorials, we're going to explain some of the simple formula that we can apply, and it is foolproof, and we guarantee this is going to work. We're going to apply this formula where we look at some of those things that are so integral to our chart, like that moon sign, like our Venus, like our North Node, like Jupiter, and what those planets actually mean to us. You know, do they mean how we wish to look at how we want to be romanced? Do we look at those things of how we like to be supported when there are crises? These elements in our lifestyle are carefully explained through astrology. And when you know these concepts, you can not only get in touch with the perfect person in your life and the perfect career choices and the perfect job and the perfect health decisions and decisions on how to run and integrate with your family. But you don't only understand those things, but you can actually attract that person just because the thread of energy in the universe allows you, through your understanding of what it is that you want, to actually cosmically put that thread out there and let it be drawn to you much easier. We want to talk a little bit about our new website that's up. It's called www.drscottjoseph.com. And we're very excited about this. We're going to be doing astrological readings. We're going to be doing medical intuitive readings. I have been a physician for 27 years, a holistic physician that's been doing not only medical intuitive readings, but also astrological readings. And now we're so excited to bring Annabella on board because she is going to help us with something never done before, which is the post-reading therapy. After you do a reading, and I've done many of them, it seems somewhat anticlimactic that you shake hands and you hug and cry or whatever it is after that reading because you touched somebody's soul. But what happens when they leave? How do they implement what they learned in the reading? How do they go forward with what they've understood? Well, we've started and we have a number of clients who we're already seeing, and we're so excited because for the first time ever, you get to deal with follow-up reading information and follow-up therapies.
Yes, I want to say something. It's not about what you know, but about what you do with what you know. Therefore, after the reading, you have all this abundance of information, but sometimes you don't know what to do with it. How do you implement that information that was given to you in the reading in everyday life? And sometimes making the shift of perspective or the change in the belief system needs a little support. And that's why I'm here for.
That's wonderful. We're very excited about this. I am welcoming you to join us on our new website and to get a 50% off initial reading. We're going to be doing them online. We're going to be doing them through FaceTime, through WebTime, however you need to, even in person if we're in the same area. We have a full team of astrologers and intuitives. And once again, the website is www.drscottjoseph.com. And also, you can call 631-375-8702 to schedule your initial reading. Stay tuned for some upcoming readings where we're going to actually get into the meat and potatoes of what these readings will entail. And also stay tuned for our very next video, which is going to have all this information in Spanish by Annabella. Thanks so much.
Peace and love. Bye.
Love and light.